Hello friends, greeting of the day. So today we are going to learn that chapter which we have studied in standard 7th, standard 8th, standard 9 and standard 10th. Any guesses for this chapter? This chapter is from business mathematics and chapter number is 2. Now the chapter name, before I declare, any guesses which chapter you have studied in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th? Yes, the chapter name is equation. So before we start with this chapter, let us have a quick snapshot in one page that what we are going to learn in this chapter. First, we will learn definition. From the definition, we will be going towards the types of equation, identity equation and conditional equation. In identity equation, we are going to study three parts. First is simple equation, that is linear equation. Second is quadratic equation and third is cubic equation. In simple equation, we will study simultaneous linear equation, and in this we will study four parts. First is two variable sums, three variable sums, word problems and nature of simultaneous equation. Now for solving these sums, two variable, three variable, we need methods of solving equation. So method is divided into four parts. First part is elimination method, second part is cross multiplication method, third is substitution method. So these methods will be very long. As we are in CA foundation, we have to solve sums in 1 minute 20 seconds. So to solve that sums in 1 minute 20 seconds, we need to solve with go through option method. Now moving towards the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation, in this we will study three parts. First we will study how to construct the quadratic equation. In second part we will study about the nature of roots, and in third part we will study the word problems based on quadratic equation. So this is the whole chapter summary what you are going to study. So we move further. So we study first what is equation. Yes, equation क्या है? An equation is a statement which states that two expressions are equal. Equation क्या है? एक statement है जो ये state करता है कि there should be two expressions होने चाहिए. Example: 7x plus 2, 9x minus 2. So this is two expressions. ये दो expressions हैं और इन दो expressions के बीच में equal to होना चाहिए. An equal to sign is used. So this is the equal to sign we are using. So we say that this becomes the equation. So equation is divided into two parts. First is conditional equation and second is identity equation. कंडीशनल इक्वेशन में स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. y plus 2 divided by 3 plus y plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 3 holds true only for y is equal to 1. अब ये क्वेश्चन है और जो बता रहा है कि आपका जो इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है उसमें आपको y is equal to 1 रखना है तो ही आपको is equal to 3 मिलेगा. और अगर ये मिल जाता है तो दैट मीन्स दिस इज नोन एज व्हाट? कंडीशनल इक्वेशन. यहाँ पे कंडीशन है. कंडीशन क्या है कि भाई y की वैल्यू 1 ही देनी है तभी ये होल्ड ट्रू करेगा. होल्ड ट्रू का मतलब है कि RHS 3 मिलेगा. सो हम क्या करेंगे? चलो LHS में y की वैल्यू 1 रखते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 प्लस 2 डिवाइडेड बाई 3. तो यहां से मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 1. Now we solve the second part. Y plus 3 divided by 2. 1 plus 3 divided by 2. दैट इज 4 डिवाइड बाय 2, 2 हो गया, तो 1 प्लस 2 कितना आया 3, विच इज इक्वल टू RHS। तो इसको हम बोलते हैं कंडीशनल इक्वेशन। सो इफ द इक्वलिटी इज ट्रू फॉर सर्टन वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल, सर्टन वैल्यू वेरिएबल का मतलब हो गया दैट y इक्वल्स टू 1, तो ये सर्टन वैल्यू वेरिएबल है, द इक्वेशन इज ऑफन कॉल्ड कंडीशनल इक्वेशन and equality sign is used. Now we talk about the identity equation. Again, before moving to identity equation, one example: y plus 2 divided by 3 plus y plus 3 divided by 2 equals to 5y plus 13 divided by 6 is an identity since it holds for all the values of variable y. Now that means in identity equation हमें equation को solve करना है and we want to find out the value of y. In identity equation हमें y की value find करनी है, in conditional equation y value is given और उसे prove करना होता है। So identity equation में क्या होगा, we want to find out the value of y. If the equality is true for all values of the variable involved, the equation is called an identity. So solution of the equation or root of the equation, a number which satisfies an equation is number 1, linear equation. Now what is linear equation? An equation in which highest power of the variable is 1. Example, 8x plus 17 equals to 0. So x का power क्या था 1. So that's why it is linear equation. Second is quadratic equation. An equation in which highest power of the variable is 2. तो वेरिएबल का हाईएस्ट पावर 2 हो तो उसको बोलते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। एग्जाम्पल है ax² प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0, वेयर a इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0। यहाँ पे x का जो हाईएस्ट पावर है वो 2 है, इसीलिए उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। Third is cubic equation. Cubic equation means an equation in which highest power of the variable is 3. So that means if I say ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0. So over here x का highest power था 3. So इसीलिए उसको हम बोलेंगे क्यूबिक इक्वेशन। फोर्थ इज साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन। 2 or more linear equations involving 2 or more variables उसको बोलते हैं साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन। एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई से x plus 2y equals to 1, comma 2x प्लस 3y इक्वल्स टू 2, तो इसे हम साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन बोलते हैं क्योंकि 2 और मोर लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन्वॉल्विंग करता है 2 और मोर वेरिएबल्स। तो मेरे इक्वेशन में मैंने बोला था x प्लस 2y इक्वल्स टू 1, सो दैट मीन्स x इज वन वेरिएबल एंड y इज अनदर वेरिएबल, इसीलिए इसको हम बोलते हैं साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन। Now, based on linear equation in one variable. Now, what is this linear equation in one variable? An expression of the form ax plus b is equal to 0 is called linear equation in one variable. That means कि कोई भी expression जिसका form ax plus b is equal to 0, that means you can say 7x plus 7 is equal to 0. तो जब आपने बोला 7x प्लस 7 इज इक्वल टू 0, तो वो क्या हो गया? लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल हो गया. नाउ ओवर हियर a and b are known as constants, and यहां पे a is not equal to 0 होता है. Now again a and b क्या है? Constants, मतलब they can be a number, and a is not equal to 0. It can be solved by first elimination method, second हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं, but however we are doing CA foundation, so option method we will prefer. Question number 1. The root of the equation x plus 4 divided by 4 plus x minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 11 is options A, B, C, D आपके सामने है. So over here, root of the equation means we want to find out the value of x. Solution. We go by option method. Option A, x equals to 20. Given equation, we copy down as it is from the question. X plus 4 divided by 4 plus x minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 11. Left hand side, x plus 4 divided by 4 plus x minus 5 divided by 3. We substitute x is equal to 20 over here. So 20 plus 4 divided by 4 plus 20 minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 20 plus 4 is 24 divided by 4 plus 20 minus 5 is 15 divided by 3. So we get 24 divided by 4 6, 15 divided by 3 we get 5 equals to 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, and then we say that 11 is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS equals to क्या हो गया? RHS. X equals to 20. Satisfy given equation. So we say that option A is the correct answer. Moving towards the question number 2. 8 is the solution of the equation. Option A, B, C, D given to you. If 8 is solution, then x equals to 8 will satisfy any one of the options को satisfy करेगा. Solution. By option method we go. Option A, x plus 24 divided by 5 plus x minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 11. So left hand side है आपका x plus 24 divided by 5 plus x minus 5 divided by 3. Now 8 is the solution of the equation. So we substitute x equals to 8. 8 plus 24 divided by 5 plus 8 minus 5 divided by 3. So what is 8 plus 24? Yes, 32 divided by 5 plus 8 minus 5 divided by 3. So we say that 3 divided by 3. 32 divided by 5 plus 1 is not equal to 11. Why? क्योंकि 32 को अगर आप 5 से डिवाइड करोगे तो योर आंसर वुड बी इन पॉइंट, और मेरा जो राइट हैंड साइड है वो पॉइंट में नहीं है, दैट इज होल नंबर. So that's why it is not equal to 11. That is right hand side, which is not also equal to right hand side. Therefore, x equals to 8 does not satisfy option A. So we move towards the option B. X plus 4 divided by 2 plus x plus 10 divided by 9 equals to 8. Left hand side, x plus 4 divided by 2 plus x plus 10 divided by 9. 8 is the solution of the equation. So we substitute x equals to 8. So 8 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 9 equals to 8 plus 4 divided by 2 is 12 divided by 2 plus 8 plus 10, that is 18 divided by 9. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 6 plus 2 equals to 8, which is equal to right hand side. So we got the answer. So we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now, अब इसका शॉर्टकट तरीका क्या था? क्वेश्चन में लिखा है 8 is the solution of the equation. So that means कि 8 मेरा आंसर होना चाहिए राइट हैंड साइड में. तो ऑप्शन ए बी सी डी में राइट हैंड साइड में 8 किधर है? ओनली इन वन इक्वेशन एंड दैट इज ऑप्शन बी. तो आप डायरेक्टली भी मार्क कर सकते थे ऑप्शन बी इज द आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. द इक्वेशन 12x plus 1 divided by 4 equals to 15x minus 1 divided by 5 plus 2x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 1 is true for options A, B, C, D given to you. Solution by option method. By option A, x equals to 7 है. गिवन इक्वेशन है 12x plus 1 divided by 4 equals to 15x minus 1 divided by 5 plus 2x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 1. Left hand side 12x plus 1 divided by 4. अब इसको हम सबसे पहले सॉल्व करते हैं. सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं x is equal to 7. So that means 12 multiply 7 plus 1 divided by 4 equals to, what is 12 into 7? 84 plus 1 divided by 4 equals to 85 divided by 4. Now we solve RHS. 15x minus 1 divided by 5 plus 2x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 1 is equal to, substitute करेंगे x is equal to 7. So that comes to 15 multiply 7 minus 1 divided by 5 plus, अब x की जगह पे आप क्या रखेंगे? 5 रखेंगे. तो 2 multiply 5, sorry, it's 2 multiply 7 minus 5 divided by 3 multiply 7 minus 1 is equal to, what is 15 into 7? 105 minus 1 divided by 5 plus 14 minus 5 divided by 21 minus 1 is equal to 104 divided by 5 plus 14 में से 5 गया 9 divided by 20. Now is equal to, we take down the LCM 5 and 20 का, तो 5 and 20 का LCM आ जाएगा 20. Now 104 divided by 5, तो डिवाइडेड बाय 20 बनाना है तो मुझे 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो 104 विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, सो आई विल गेट 416 प्लस ऑलरेडी डिनोमिनेटर में 20 है, सो 9 विल कम एज इट इज, विच इज इक्वल टू 416 प्लस 9 इज 425 डिवाइडेड बाय 20. अब इसे आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ 5. So 425 divided by 5 you will get 85 and 20 को 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे you will get 4. So 85 upon 4. So what we can say, LHS equal to RHS है, 85 divided by 4 is equal to 85 divided by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 7 satisfies the given equation. So, we say that option A is the right answer. Next question number 4. Pick up the correct value of x. For x divided by 30 equals to 2 divided by 45. Options A, B, C, D. Solution. X upon 30 equals to 2 upon 45. Now x equals to, यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. यहाँ पे मैं डायरेक्टली वैल्यू नहीं रखता, मतलब ऑप्शन मेथड से नहीं जा रहा. तो x equals to 30 multiply 2 will be 60 divided by 45. 60 and 45 will get cancelled. So we will get 4 and we will get over here 3. It goes with the help of 15 table. 15 4s are 60, 15 3s are 45. So x is equal to 4 upon 3. ऑप्शन में देखा 4 upon 3 नहीं है, but a mixed fraction is given. So x equals to 1 upon 1 by 3, क्योंकि आपने 4 divided by 3 को मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. So you can say that option C is the correct answer. Question 5. Pick up the correct value x for which x divided by 0.5 minus 1 upon 0.05 plus x upon 0.005 minus 1 upon 0.0005 is equal to 0. Options A, B, C, D. सॉल्यूशन है बाई ऑप्शन मेथड से. बाई ऑप्शन ए x इक्वल्स टू 10 हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. गिवन इक्वेशन है x अपॉन 0.5 माइनस 1 अपॉन 0.05 प्लस x अपॉन 0.005 माइनस 1 अपॉन 0.0005 इक्वल्स टू 0. So left hand side part x divided by 0.5 minus 1 upon 0.05 plus x upon 0.005 minus 1 upon 0.0005. So this is the left hand side. Substitute करेंगे x equals to 10. So here we go, 10 divided by 0.5 minus 1 divided by 0.05 प्लस नाउ x के प्लेस पे अगेन आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.005 माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.0005. नाउ अब आप कैलकुलेटर की हेल्प से 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.5 इज 20 माइनस 20. Now 10 divided by 0.005. So you will get plus 2000. 1 divided by 0.0005. You will get minus 2000. So what we observe over here is 20 and 20 will get cancelled. Plus 2000 minus 2000 will get cancelled. So which is equal to 0. So you can say that it is equal to right hand side equal हो गया. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore x equals to 10 satisfy given equation. Therefore A is equal to x is equal to 10 is the correct answer. Question number 6. The solution of the equation p plus 2 multiply p minus 3 plus p plus 3 multiply p minus 4 equals to p multiply 2p minus 5 is. Options A, B, C, D given to you. So solution है by option method से solve करेंगे. Substituting option A, p is equal to 6. मेरा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है p plus 2 multiply p minus 3 plus p plus 3 multiply p minus 4. हम p की जगह पे 6 को सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So 6 plus 2 multiply 6 minus 3 plus 6 plus 3 multiply 6 minus 4 equals to 6 plus 2 होता है 8, 6 minus 3 होता है 3. So 8 into 3 plus 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 minus 4 equals to 2. So we can say that 9 multiply 2 equals to 8 3s are 24 plus 9 2s are 18. 24 plus 18 is equal to, yes, what is the answer? 42. Now we go with RHS equals to p multiply 2p minus 5. We substitute the value p is equal to 6. 6 bracket 2 multiply 6 minus 5 is equal to, so we write down 6, 2 multiply 6 is 12 minus 5, so 12 minus 5 is 7, 6 into 7 is 42. So we can say that LHS equal to RHS and option A is the right answer. Moving towards the question number 7. The solution of the equation x plus 24 divided by 5 is equal to 4 plus x upon 4. Options A, B, C, D given to you. Solution by option A, x is equal to 6. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है आपका x plus 24 divided by 5. We substitute the value 6. 6 plus 24 divided by 5 is equal to 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Now we go with right hand side. 4 plus x divided by 4 is equal to 4 plus 6 divided by 4 is equal to, we take down the LCM, 4 into 4, 16 plus 6 equals to 22 divided by 4. LHS is not equal to RHS. So option A is not possible. We go with option B, x equals to 10. Left hand side, x plus 24 divided by 5. 10 plus 24 divided by 5. 34 divided by 5. Right hand side, 4 plus x upon 4 equals to 4 plus 10 upon 4. So we take down LCM, 4, 16 plus 10 equals to 26 upon 4. We say that LHS is not equal to RHS. So option B is also not the answer. Moving towards the next solution by option C, x equals to 16. Left hand side, x plus 24 divided by 5. 16 plus 24 divided by 5 equals to 40 divided by 5 equals to 8. Right hand side, 4 plus x upon 4 equals to 4 plus 16 divided by 4 equals to 4 plus 4, because 16 divided by 4 is 4, equals to 8. LHS equal to RHS. So we can say that option C is the correct answer. Next question number 8. On solving, under root x upon 1 minus x plus under root 1 minus x upon x equals to 2 1 by 6. We get the values of x as option A, B, C, D. Solution by option method. By option A, 4 upon 13. Given equation है under root x upon 1 minus x plus under root 1 minus x upon x equals to 1 upon 6. Therefore, under root x upon 1 minus x equals to, by taking first term of left hand side, हमने x की प्लेस पे सब्सटीट्यूट कर दिया 4 अपॉन 13 अपॉन 1 माइनस 4 अपॉन 13 इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट 4 अपॉन 13. फिर डिनोमिनेटर में हमने 13 का एलसीएम लिया था, सो 13 माइनस 4 अपॉन 13 हो गया equals to, we will get 4 upon 13 divided by 9 upon 13. Now 13 and 13 will get cancelled, so you will get under root 4 upon 9 which is equal to 2 upon 3. So ये 2 upon 3 किसका आंसर है? अंडर रूट x upon 1 minus x का. Now आपका सेकेंड टर्म दे रखा है of LHS अंडर रूट 1 माइनस x अपॉन x. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, फर्स्ट टर्म था अंडर रूट x अपॉन 1 माइनस x, सेकेंड टर्म है अंडर रूट 1 माइनस x अपॉन x. मतलब कि जो आंसर फर्स्ट टर्म का आया वो सेकेंड टर्म में इन्वर्स हो जाएगा. तो आपका फर्स्ट टर्म था 2 अपॉन 3, तो यहाँ पे इन्वर्स हो जाएगा 3 अपॉन 2. Now left hand side, under root x upon 1 minus x plus under root 1 minus x upon x. Now substitute the value 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2 which is equal to 13 upon 6. ये कैसे आया 13 upon 6? तो आपने 2 and 3 का एलसीएम लिया, तो आप एलसीएम को कहाँ लिखोगे? नीचे. देन 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. तो 4 plus 9 हो गया 13 upon 6 which is equal to 2 1 by 6. इस तरीके से आपने इसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट किया which is equal to right hand side. LHS equal to RHS, x equals to 4 upon 13 satisfy the given equation. So we say that option A is the correct answer. Next question number 9. The solution of the equation 3 upon 5x minus 1 upon 10 equals to x plus 2 divided by 10 minus 2 is options A, B, C, D given to you. Solution है 3 upon 5 multiply x minus 1 upon 10 equals to x plus 2 divided by 10 minus 2. We take down the LCM. 5 and 10 का LCM होता है 10. 5 को 10 बनाने के लिए आपको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो न्यूमरेटर भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो 2 into 3 6x minus 1 equals to, now you take down the LCM 10 on the right hand side, so x plus 2 minus 2 will get multiplied by 10, so 20. Over here 10 denominator में and right hand side का denominator 10 will get cancelled. Therefore 6x minus 1 equals to x plus 2 minus 20. Therefore 6x. Now right hand side के x को हम इधर लेके आते हैं left hand side. So minus x equals to right hand side में plus 2 minus 20. Now लेफ्ट साइड का -1 राइट साइड आएगा, इट विल बी +1. Therefore 5x, 6x minus x से मिला 5x equals to 2 minus 20 plus 1 will give you minus 17. Therefore, you can say that x equals to minus 17 upon 5. So, कौन से ऑप्शन में आपको दिखता है? So, we say that option C, minus 17 upon 5 is the correct answer. Question number 10. The equation 12x plus 1 upon 4 equals to 13x minus 1 upon 5 plus 3 is true for options A, B, C, D given to you. Solution. Simplifying, we get 12x plus 1 upon 4 equals to 13x minus 1 upon 5 plus 3. 12x plus 1 upon 4 equals to, now take down the LCM, we get 5. 13x minus 1 plus 3 multiply 5, 15. 12x plus 1 divided by 4 equals to 13x minus 14. नहीं होगा क्योंकि minus 1 plus 15 is plus 14. मैं तो चेक कर रहा था कि आप एक फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड में क्या सोचते हो. Divided by 5. Now we do cross multiply. 5 will multiply to 12x plus 1 is equal to 4 will multiply 13x plus 14. 5 into 12x is 60x plus 1 multiply 5 is 5 equals to 4 will multiply 13 and 4 will multiply 14. So you get 52x plus 56. अब x को हम एक साइड रखते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. So we say that 60x minus 52x equals to 56 minus 5. So 60x minus 52x is 8x equals to 51. Therefore, we can say that x equals to 51 divided by 8. Now 51 divided by 8 goes to option D. So we say that option D is the correct answer. Moving towards the question number 11. The value of y that satisfies the equation y plus 11 divided by 6 minus y plus 1 divided by 9 equals to y plus 7 divided by 4 is options A, B, C, D given to you. Now solution. Y plus 11 divided by 6 minus y plus 1 divided by 9 equals to y plus 7 divided by 4. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 6 and 9 दिया है, आप उसका एलसीएम निकालोगे. तो 6 and 9 का एलसीएम निकालिए. यस, निकालो. मुझे पता है आप लोग बोलेंगे सर 9 into 6 54 कर देते हैं. आप वो भी कर सकते हो, बट ओरिजिनली 9 and 6 का एलसीएम कितना आता है? यस, इज 18. नाउ 6 को 18 बनाने के लिए मैं 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. सो जब मैं इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 3y से मल्टीप्लाई होगा ना, तो क्या होगा? 3 मल्टीप्लाई y प्लस 11 माइनस 9 को 18 बनाना है तो क्या करेंगे? 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई y प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू y प्लस 7 डिवाइडेड बाई 4. 18 एलसीएम थी, ब्रैकेट को ओपन करेंगे. सो व्हेन यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट, 3y प्लस 33 माइनस 2y माइनस प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा, तो माइनस 2y माइनस 2 अपॉन 18 इक्वल्स टू y प्लस 7 डिवाइडेड बाई 4. सो 3y माइनस 2y कितना होता है? y प्लस 33 माइनस 2 होता है प्लस 31. तो वी से दैट y प्लस 31 डिवाइडेड बाई 18 इक्वल्स टू y प्लस 7 डिवाइडेड बाई 4. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 4 विल मल्टीप्लाई y प्लस 31. तो वी से दैट 4y प्लस 124 equals to 18 multiply 5, 18 multiply 7. So 18y plus 126. 4y minus 18y, क्योंकि y को हम लेफ्ट से लिएंगे, equals to 126 minus 124. 4y minus 18y is minus 14y equals to 126 minus 124 करो. So 126 minus 124 करोगे, you will get 2. So therefore we say that y equals to minus 2 upon 14, and 2 upon 14 will be written as minus 1 upon 7. So we say that option D is the correct answer. Thank you friends. If you have doubts on this topic, you can call or WhatsApp me on 76008 28696. Thank you.